All right, today we're gonna bring some driftwood for your aquariums. If you guys can see, it's a three-piece driftwood. Now, out of the box, it's contaminated, so you got to make sure you remove all the particles and dust and any kind of debris or any plastics, because you don't want to put this directly to your aquarium yet. What I suggest is soak them in for at least 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours. Make sure all the particles, and you're gonna see that your water's gonna turn yellow because out of the box, dryness kind of taints the water. So make sure that you continue to soak this until you don't see a clear water, and then they're ready to go to our aquarium. So another thing is that submerging them in water, make sure that you can remove every particle in there. That's nothing in there. Submerging them will also make them heavier in water, because right now, as you can see, they're floating up. But if I leave them here for a long time, they're gonna sink up, all right? Because they're gonna soak up all the water. So that's another great thing. You gotta do this. Put them in water. Make sure you put them in water.